Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we're going to go in depth into some of the elements of the menus that will help you to be able to create more complex documents. For example, if you were to go to the File area and you were to go to the Open command, one of the things you'll notice is that we can open from a number of places. We're going to look at how you would open a document from PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel into your Word document. We're also going to look at the dictation feature within Microsoft Word. We're also going to look at documenting your items inside of your document, and we're going to focus on looking at the Text and Symbols tab. In the Design menu, we're going to look at the Page Background tab, which will allow you to brand your documents. Also going to look at the Arrange tab. Within the References menu, we're going to work with the Index tab, which will help you to be able to create an index. In the Mailings menu, we will go through the basics of creating a mail merge. In the Review tab, we'll look a little closer at the Resume Assistant tab, as well as the Link Notes tab. Within the View menu, we'll work with the windows, and we'll look at the interface between Google Docs as well as your mobile device. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.